they have done about your destiny. As I stretch my hand from this place, I prophesy.
I receive.
Receive your freedom now. Power of God. Yes. 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 Something's happening there. Yes. Yes. Power. Yes. Power. Yes. 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 Please. Solomon. Over here. Yes. 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 Where are they? 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 Yes. Of God, heavenly being, I ask for an angelic ministration. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Power. That's right. 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 On this one, fire. 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 On the both of them, fire. As I count 1 to 3, I release fire from heaven. Fire from heaven. Fire from heaven. 1, 2, 3, fire. Yes. 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 That's it. The dignity. The dignity is coming. Fire of God. Fire of God. Fire of God. In the name of Jesus. 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 Fire. Yes. 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 Let your dignity be restored. Be restored. The ground you are standing is the holy ground. Therefore, I command the fire of God to fall from the crown of your head to the sole of your feet. After the count of 3, let the fire move. 1, 2, 3. Fire! Yes! Yes! I choose you as a point of contact for the family. And I command the fire of God all over your body. 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 All over you. 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 Fire! Get out in Jesus' name. In the name of Jesus. Put your hands up, please. Come close. Come close.